So here we are by Beaver Creek. If you watched the skunk cabbage video we put out, you saw the little spring. The springs are what feed Beaver Creek. So Beaver Creek is a cold stream. Beaver Creek is actually a trout stream. We have the native Wisconsin brook trout that live here. Brook trout have a very specific fish. They have some very specific requirements to be able to survive in a stream. They like water to be cold. So our water coming out of the ground, out of the springs, is about 52 degrees. It warms up a little bit in the creek, but the creek stays about 57, 58 degrees most of the year. The other things trout need is they need the water to be clean. Now when we look at Beaver Creek, you notice a brownish tinge to it, and that's because we have oak trees in the area. When the oak leaves decompose, they give off a substance called tannin, which colors the local streams and local waterways. But for the most part, it's pretty clean. We can see to the bottom. And so it's cold, it's clean, and the third thing that's really important for trout is oxygen. So the fact that Beaver Creek is moving, if you look behind me, you can kind of probably see the sparkles where the sun is hitting the water as it tumbles over branches and that. It's getting mixed up, and when it gets mixed up, it makes bubbles. Inside of the bubble is air, and so that's how we get the oxygen dissolved into the water for the trout to be able to use. A lot of the streams in this area are trout streams. They are cold. They do have those requirements to them. And so if you have a creek by your house, when you have an adult with you, you can go looking at it. I wouldn't hop in it. It's way too cold, but it's always fun to take a walk along the creek and see what you can find.